There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There's our friend Piggy, and there's our friend Gerald. And oh my goodness, he's right. There is a bird on Gerald's head. Let's see what happens. There are no words on this page for me to read. But remember, when we have to look at illustrations, sometimes the pictures don't have words and they're telling us what's happening. I can see these dots, which tell me that the bird is flying. It looks like Gerald and Piggy are just taking a rest. But here comes the bird. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes? What's on Gerald's head? There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Looks like the bird is waving to Piggy. Ah! Gerald is running away. The bird seems confused. Is there a bird on my head now? Oh my goodness, look what happens. Now there's not only one bird on Gerald's head, but there are two birds on Gerald's head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love, Piggy tells Gerald. How can Piggy tell that the birds are in love? I see a heart. The birds on my head are in love? Ugh. They are lovebirds. It looks like the bird is waving bye to the other bird now. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? It looks like the birds are flying up and down. The lines are going up. The lines are coming down. It looks like they're putting something in their beak and putting it on top of Gerald. How does Gerald feel about these birds? I can tell by his face with his frown and his eyes that he is not feeling happy. They are making a nest! Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Piggy looks like he's liking that they're making a nest on Gerald's head. I am afraid to ask. What is going on? Piggy, do I have an egg on my head? What happened in the nest? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. Gerald looks shocked and surprised, but Piggy looks happy. Now there are 3 eggs in the nest on Gerald's head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my head. Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Piggy looks very happy. He's crying happy tears for the birds that have hatched on Gerald's head. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. Oh, it looks like the bird went to go get some worms for them to eat. Well, Gerald, you also have 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Piggy's thinking. Somewhere else! Oh no. Gerald is feeling very frustrated. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yes, use your words and ask them. They don't know what you're thinking. They don't know that you don't like them on your head, Gerald. Oh, it looks like he's thinking about it. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Gerald remembered his kind words and said, please. No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Oh my goodness, what happened? It looks like they found another head to be on. The end. If you look very closely at the end of this page, you might see someone you know that also came to the nest. There's the pigeon. The end.